Hello, in this video I'm going to show the ShieldSub service, which is an online port scanning service hosted at grc.com. The main purpose of this service is to alert user of any open ports through firewalls or routers. Now let me show you how it works. First log in to grc.com website. And go to Service tab and select ShieldSub. Follow instruction to proceed. And click on Exposure Test. Wait for test to be complete. As we can see here, my router is good to go and doesn't expose UPnP to the outside world. In general, it is recommended to disable UPnP in the router. That's all from my side. Thank you.